Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moyo K, channel name, and this is the new and improved natural hair series you've been waiting for, so keep on watching. They call me sassy. Hey guys, welcome back to a new series, a new not so new series actually on my channel, where I take you through things I'm doing right or things I'm doing wrong with my natural hair. So these braids are about 2 months. The front side is like 1 month, the back is 2 months because I rebraided the front. Anyway, so it's time to take them down. I'm going to be doing this method I saw from Heyyyaaaa, where she puts like oil on her root and then it allows her glide through her hair easily basically. So that's what I'm using to take down my hair. So I just use this oil that I made. Then I put it around the first half of my hair because I'll be taking down the first half before I go into the second half, and I kind of know already where my hair stops, so I'm just going to cut that out and do the same for as much as I want to take down now. So you guys, this will have to be like the most breakage I've ever experienced, like since carrying my natural hair. And that's because, one, I've never taken my braids for more than 2 months. I've never even taken my braids up to 2 months. It's always like maximum of 6 weeks. And for the first time I actually took my braids for 2 months, and yeah, the breakage was real actually. Reason being, like, my hair got super itchy, and see, I was even surprised that my hair actually grew because I thought I was still not done like removing the extensions. So basically, chill, before I go back to what I was saying before, what Shion does is that she just puts oil in the part that has already matted, and then she just glides through it, and it makes her be able to detangle properly. So back to what I was saying, yeah. I wasn't expecting my hair to cut this much because during the whole process of having my hair in, it was itching me so bad because I needed to obviously take them out. But yeah, I was too busy and too tired and too lazy to do that. So let me just basically take you guys through the process. So after like loosening my hair up to where like the extensions are, I'm just going to add like a little bit of oil to the root so that it will be easy for me to take out like the part that has already matted. At this point, I didn't know that I should have been using a bobby pin to loosen my hair to make it faster, but I chose the hard method, and it's not always good. You guys, if there's something easy, go for it. So this is basically the part where I just show you guys how much hair has broke out from like the one I have loosened. It may be because like the hair is particularly stretched out, but literally, so I was talking about like they're removing from the roots out. That's because I was itching my scalp and I was pulling them out. Like sometimes I may wake up in the night and then I'll just see like hair all over my bed, because that's to show you how much friction I've used to itch my hair throughout the night. It was too bad. And the plan this wash day was to actually use vinegar on my hair, but I didn't get the vinegar on time. It didn't get delivered on time, so I just like forgot about that process. And yeah, that's the amount of hair that cut from the first half of my hair. And note, I'm still not done loosening it, so basically I'm still loosening it anyway. So once I'm done loosening it, I'm just going to show you guys the growth. So as you guys can see, my hair actually grew full, like it grew full and it grew long. Compared to before, how my hair was, you'd notice there was actually a growth, but then my hair still cut. So basically, how do you stop this process? One, you detangle well. Two, you take care of your hair even in protective style. Try not to put too much friction on it, even when you're protective styling, because you can also break out your hair. So this was my hair in December, and that is my hair now in February. So you can see how much my hair has actually grown. So next, the wash time. So I didn't detangle my hair again because I already detangled the previous day, and I put my hair in like cornrows to make it stay stretched. So basically, since my hair is low porosity, it's very important for you guys to know the porosity of your hair, because if you don't know the porosity of your hair, then you can't really tell how your hair absorbs the product. You can't really tell if the products you're using on your hair are actually being penetrated by your hair follicles. So you have to know the porosity of your hair in order to be able to like maintain it, and in order to be able to know the best wash routine to use. So basically, since my hair is low porosity, what I basically do is that I drench my hair in water first, and in warm water, making sure that everything is like, so when, how you know that your hair is actually accepting the water is when it stops going from like that bulky foam to going to like, literally you will know. So just drenching your hair in water for, I think I did this process for about like 1 minute or 2 or 3 minutes. And yeah, just went ahead and warm water, just stayed under the tap. And once that was done, I went ahead to start washing my scalp. So for washing my scalp, I just go ahead with a shampoo. I'm not really specific about the kind of shampoos I use on my hair, because what really matters at the end of the day is my process of deep conditioning, um protein treatments, my oil, my creams. That's basically what matters to me. I'm not really keen on my shampoo. Maybe one day I will be, but since coming here I haven't really seen a product to use for my hair like that. So basically for my shampooing process, I just go ahead with this shampoo basically that I bought on Amazon, and I just wash my scalp. So my scalp is like the main thing I wash, because that's where promotes growth. One, that's where your growth comes from, and it has to be clean in order for your growth to persist. So yeah, using this method, as you can see, I'm really not washing my hair, I am washing the scalp. And I just go ahead to like put my hair aside and make sure that I get into my scalp as much as I can. And the remaining products that the remaining shampoo, I just go ahead to like use it to rinse off my strands, and then wash it off, like rinse it off with water as well. So basically, once that is done, I still haven't found like a good conditioner for my hair. So I've just been using like this deep conditioner as my conditioner, because it says three in one. It's a Garnier conditioner. So what I do is that I just like put on my strands, and people say you can use the clapping method, but I just basically go ahead to like distribute it. I'm not really keen on like a lot of natural hair phrases. I just do what works for me basically. So I spread it on my strand, and then I just go ahead to like section my hair into two and detangle the back, and then I'll go ahead to detangle the front. So as you can see, yeah, my detangling process is still not the best, to be honest. I still don't know how to detangle my hair. I still don't know how to do a lot of things. But the fact that I'm now being intentional about my growth, I have been seeing a lot of growth compared to when I first started my natural hair journey. Even people that know me know that my hair never actually ever grew to this length, but because if I started being intentional about what I'm doing with my hair, it started growing. So basically, you knowing what to do promotes your hair growth. Your hair will notice when you start being like good to it, basically. Even if you're not the best to it yet, the more you take care of your hair, the more you get familiar with your hair, and the more your hair gets to grow basically. So yeah, after I'm done detangling that side, I'll just go ahead to twist it and then just section it out, and then go to the front as well. So you guys don't have to like know like 1,000,001 things to do to your hair. Just start small. With time, it's just like when you're getting to know someone. Yeah, you don't, the person's not just going to tell you their whole life history at once. You start with like knowing their name, then their age. That's the same thing with your hair. You start by knowing your hair porosity, what your hair likes, things like that. And then with time, you just get better with it. And then it just starts experiencing growth. Even you yourself will be surprised. Like when you just put your hair out and then you just loosen it and you're like, whoa, my hair grew. So that's literally how I'm surprised every single time I take my hair out. Okay, so I think this is going to be the end of like this section. So if you guys like these kind of content, like my natural hair, I know I stopped this for a while because I really did not know what I was doing at that point. So I really stopped it for a while. So now I'm back at my natural hair content again, since a lot of people have been asking like those close to me. So yeah, if you like this kind of content, let me know. Like, share, subscribe, comment also, and let me know your questions, and I'll be sure to be in the comments to answer you as well. Yeah, see you guys around, and okay, bye. Oh yeah, I'm also going to show you the amount of hair that actually broke out while I was washing my hair. That's to show you that the fact that my hair broke out in the beginning, like when I was detangling my hair, when I was taking down my braids, it didn't really give it room for it to break out during the wash process. So basically, it's better for your hair to grow before your wash than to like, it's better for your hair to break before your wash than for your hair to break after your wash. If not, during your wash, your hair will break more if it's tangled. So basically, make sure you tangle you detangle your hair before going into the shower to wash your hair. Okay, so I hope you guys like this kind of videos. Peace, and see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye.
Don't call me mean, I just want